very important. Don't feel like a statue, don't feel like an idle fellow. Ideal mind is devil's workshop. We have to concentrate. Beginning onwards, almost 45 minutes, more than 45 minutes, the son is busy with beautiful English. Why you people are come with that particular track? What is the reason? Because you are not having interest. Purely I can say, you are not having interest. In which way I am supposed to speak that, sir? What are the ways are there? Just you go and ask, what are the ways, sir? In which way I am going to have extraordinary fluency like you in language? But basically English is a child. English is a weapon. Education is a weapon along with, yes, in education so many streams are there. So many steps are there. Sectors are there. But I can say, I can give you assurance, language is going to play a very vital role in this society. It's a weapon. 21st century is being organized by only one and only one weapon without ammunition, without bullets, that is the English language. That's because reasoning has become international language. It's very easy, absolutely, unless it is not easy. Almost all 190 countries, citizens are depending on language. How is it possible? First of all, what is the major drawback? We are not having proper interest. If a child belongs to 9th class like you, whether you speak in beautiful manner outside, at your home, at your relatives, ultimately they feel very happy rather than your subject. It's a entry pass. Language is entry pass. For example, your Risha sir is there, Telugu Shubhodayam sir is there, my friend Mr. Hindi sir is also there outside. Because of their language only, first I was inspired, impressed. Before that one I didn't go through. The subject, everything is secondary. Because of their way of communication. The way they approached me, the way they discussed with me, expressed their views regarding their experience and subject. Just I framed few questions. In which way you are supposed to give the best comparing with my existing staff. They have come with some different. Almost 150 teachers approached for interviews, you know. But out of 150, we have gone with few selections. So whatever the way you have seen right now, should maintain that wonderful decorum until the last period of the school. Definitely success will touch your feet. Don't bother. Don't bother. Sure, damn sure. Fortune thing is, 9th is nothing but in advanced 10th class. Whatever the question paper, whatever the model is there in 10th class, purely reflects in the 9th house. If you take Telugu, Hindi, English, social, science, mathematics also. The question paper style also will be like that one. Section A, Section B, Section C. Whatever the thing we are going to get in Section A or Section B or maybe Section C, either it is a discourse or major or minor or grammar also. Same thing will be reflected in 10th class also. That's the reason I request you people please should complete in advance. In advance, in 9th class only. You should ask your Risha sir, sir, please conduct 10th exam. Now we are going to attend that one. That was 90% of paper is general English, you know. Almost all without textbook you can crack even 10th class English paper also. Like remaining also I think. You should feel, yes, I am also busy with the 10th class. I would like to watch you people outside also. Your walk of lifestyle, moving style, going with your friends, everything I want to observe. Your best student should have the same tempo. The Mandu class what a great opportunity. Great opportunity. Your silence always going to give the best encouragement to the teacher. Whatever the way you are going to extend your concentration while the teacher is teaching, absolutely they feel very happy. They have to think, yeah, we are not supposed to miss 9th class. Together, you know, I clubbed you people. Both two sections are being in one particular frame in very first period. First impression should be the best impression. That's the reason I request you, sir, you're going to take, sir is not supposed to give advice, not supposed to ask you request or something else. It has to feel, yes, my 9th class children are the pillars. Regarding every corner. The span of 1-2 months, we are going to keep aside 10th class people. you are going to come on the frame of the program lineup. Reason they are going to be busy with academics, then the part and program lineup should be hand over to you people. You know. So I want to see, for example, if you are weak, so and so subject. So look, go ahead at the time of leisure, at the time of free time, just to go and approach your concerned teacher, take their blessings and advice, ask them. They are the pillars, you know. They are the pillars of the program. They are having bulk subject with them. Extraordinary experience is there with them. దయ్యంలాగా సంబంధం లేకున్నట్టు గొడవ కూర్చొని మన పని మనం సార్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే వేస్ట్. సార్ కోపం చేయడానికి కొట్టడానికి ఆలోచిస్తాడు. ఎందుకంటే మీరు మా ఎత్తున్నారు పిల్లలంతా. యువర్ ఈక్వల్ టు అవర్ ఏజ్. Am I correct or not? No particular teacher is supposed to punish you unless you behave like a rowdy, unless you behave like a naughty fellow. But telling to children are almost all. But our language, our answer, our permission, everything should be blessed with a grand manner. I hope this is a wonderful time, Anna. Please don't miss it. We are already August 2nd. August 3rd we are moving. Time is very fast, you know. Time and tide waits for none. It moves on. We have to run behind of that. Whether you run like a Usain Bolt also, you can't catch the passing minute. You can't catch the passing minute if you are ready to invest 100 crores to bring out the passing minute. Is it possible just to go and check? Highly impossible. Life is a passing minute. Miss not it. Golden opportunity God has given to you. By the grace of God, very wonderful teachers are there. Because I know very well, when I taught 10th class, my colleagues also like present teachers. So please utilize the language. Even though they are language teachers, they are speaking very good English. Either Prakash sir or some other Hindi Kavita ma'am.